Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Temple Heights Elementary School, or the Leadership Academy here in Oceanside, California, home of the Dragons and part of the Vista Unified School District. I've been here numerous times, year after year, and it's such an honor to be back again to share my heart. Today's focus was on bullying, looking at the heart first, right? And so we built on what I talked about last school year. I still have 2 more visits coming up for this school year, 2023, 2024. But, the students that came up to me afterwards that shared their heart with me, they're still dealing with bullying. They've heard me in the past, and a lot of them were talking about how they try to make friends. Sometimes those people say, no, I don't want to be your friend. And I say, look, that's okay. They have a choice, but that's their loss, from getting to meet a potentially amazing person, right? And we can still show those people love, right? That every opinion out there doesn't always matter. What matters is what we believe, and that we also see this in ourselves, and that our true friends see this, right? I always talk about this in all my assemblies, but all of us with the lines on our hand have the letter M. Just like the front of my shirt says miracle, that M stands for miracle. Upside down, W for worthy. And a lot of students shouted both of those words out, so they do remember this. A lot of them traced their hands right after I left here today too, with washable marker. But it was so cool because, they are really understanding what it means to understand that not only are they special, but we need to see that in other people around us. And some of the students even share with me that, they've seen a lot of videos online of students that have disabilities, but they're very, very talented still. Like one of the videos we saw today, a boy with no arms or hands, but is a great 3-point shooter when it comes to basketball, right? And so we shouldn't limit ourselves from meeting people just because they look different or walk different, talk different, see different, hear different, learn different, different skin color, whatever it is. We can still choose to accept them if we open our hearts. And so I challenged them today too. I said, look, I want to hopefully have you open your hearts too to other people that might be different than you, might speak a different language, might eat different foods, might wear different clothes, might be born in a whole different country, but you can still choose to get past those judgments and look at people for their heart first, as big as our fist. But if we let that love, kindness, peace, compassion fully enter into here, we can turn this into this. Right? And there's 2 here, just like the peace sign, the same grade as 2nd grade, which is the peace grade, right? And that means that one finger is ourself, the other is someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourselves, but how we choose to treat them through our actions, through our words. But also 2, because in just 2 seconds we can say or do something so kind, it stays on someone's heart in a positive way for the rest of their life, or conversely, something so mean that it stays on their heart in a very negative way forever, right? And so through a series of interactive exercises, a couple heartfelt stories, some powerful videos, some positive music, they really did take that home. There were a lot of pin drop moments, and the students understood that, hey, it's up to me to be that leader, to own my culture, to know that if we want to start a kindness club here or a leadership club, peace club, whatever we want to call it, we can all make a difference at a young age. So thank you all for touching my heart. You're all beautiful. Never forget that. Keep being the leaders that we know you are here at a Leader in Me school, the Leadership Academy. And as always, make sure that the subscribe button you see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to also visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.